Now let's see how we can upload a file or multiple files. So let's delete all of them from here, and let's create an input type file to upload files. So to upload a file, first of all, let's create a label, and this will be file. Now for the file, we also going to use the input that set the type to file and give it an ID of file and name of file as well. Now let's close this, save. As you guys can see in here, I can now select a file that I want. In here I can select a mp3, mp4, image, any file that I want, but you can also add a validation to select only one type of file that you want. For example, only select or upload the images, not any other files. Right now I can upload any files I want. So to validate it, to accept only images, we have an attribute with the name of accept, and in here we can type to only accept images of any type. Now let's save. Now let's click the choose file. So in here, as you guys see, I can only see the images, not any other file, because I can only upload images. And in here, the file type also it show images and all files. The user can select any image they want, and it will get uploaded. Now, what if I want to upload many multiple files? Because in this setup, in this type, I can only upload a single file. I cannot select multiple files. For example, if I hold control, I can only select one file and I can upload it. But if I want to upload multiple files, I have an attribute with the name of multiple. Now when I set this one, I can select multiple files. So let's click choose. Now I can select as many files I want, and I can click open. It will upload to the server, and in here as you guys can see, it displays 7 files that I selected. So this is it for this video. See you guys in the next video.